Hey guys, welcome to my next art video. As you can tell, I am on a phone this time. I actually got a new phone for Christmas. My husband bought it for me. I got a Galaxy Note8. And one of the features of this phone, one of the reasons why he got it for me, is because it has a stylus and it actually has pressure sensitivity and stuff like that. And you can get programs so that you can draw. So yeah, I wanted to test that out. And actually, I did test this out the other day. I think I mentioned it in my last art video, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the drawing. I tried to record it and I failed at doing so. It was like my first day with the phone, so I didn't really know how to use some of the features. So yeah. But thankfully this time it worked when I went to record it. So yay! So the program that I'm using is called Autodesk Sketchbook. It has a free trial. I think it's only like a week or so, and then you have to pay like monthly, which I'm not really that hyped about. I like the program, but I don't know how often I'd use it. I think that you can pay upfront. I think it's like 20 bucks or something, which I would maybe do. I feel like that makes more sense than paying monthly, but we'll see. I might also just try to find a different drawing program. Like any new program, this took a little bit to get the hang of. And I'm still trying to figure it out, kind of. If you are familiar with this program, you might see me stumbling around a little bit. But I was able to make my way around enough to make some art that I'm happy with. So I'm pretty excited about this phone and this program and the stylus and everything. It's really awesome to just be able to grab my phone and draw. I mean, I have an iPad, which is pretty much the same thing, but it is, you know, a bit bigger, so I don't carry it with me everywhere like I do with my phone. The only thing is that this does strain my eyes a little bit if I am drawing for too long because it's such a small screen. This is actually the biggest cell phone screen that I've ever had, but drawing wise it's the smallest digital screen that I've drawn on. But yeah, it's a nice option to have when I'm like traveling or something. I just chose to stick in my comfort zone and draw something really quick. I wanted to mess around with the program and learn it a little bit, but also I'm going to be extremely busy this week, so I wanted to just do something pretty easy and straightforward for me. I mean, I'm actually going to be pretty busy for the next month, so there may be a few other pretty quick art videos coming out, and maybe even like quick DIY videos. I think this week I'm going to have to do one that's pretty quick and easy, but I think that they're useful, so hopefully you guys like them anyway. Yeah. Later this week, I'm going to be flying out to San Antonio because I'm going to be checking out PAX South with my sisters. It's going to be my first PAX, so I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to be there for a few days, and then after that, I fly back home, and then I need to really bust my ass and get a bunch of DIY videos filmed so that I have them backlogged to edit, because I need to pack up my studio because we're going to be moving next month. I'm sorry that I never did like a legit studio tour in this space. I just never got to a point where I really liked the way it looked, I guess, so I didn't really want to show it off. So hopefully it doesn't take as long to get my next studio space set up the way I want it. The initial space is going to be temporary because, fingers crossed, we'll be like building a completely new studio space for myself. That's our plan for right now, so yeah, we'll see how that all works out. And then after that, well, not really after, like the same time that I'm supposed to be packing up to leave this house, I also have to make a bunch of glittery purses because I am going to be riding with the crew of Nyx this year during Mardi Gras. If you're not familiar with all the different crews and whatnot for Mardi Gras and the parades and everything, there are a bunch of different crews, and each crew has their own parade, and along with like the beads and the stuffed animals and whatever little trinkets and stuff that you throw, each crew has their signature throw. And for the crew that I'm riding with this year, they do purses. You take a purse and you decorate it, and then it's like super special if you are able to get your hands on one of these during the parade. So yeah, especially since it's my first year riding, I want to have a few of those to be able to hand out, so I need to work on those as well. So yeah, I'm like really excited about it and kind of nervous because I've never done it before, and I always get really nervous at things that I haven't done before, but it should be fun. So if you find yourselves in New Orleans for the Crew of Nyx parade, then you should totally check it out. But anyway, I don't really have anything else to chat about, so I'm gonna let the music finish out, and yeah. And here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and I drew it on a freaking phone, so that's really cool. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. I post art videos every Tuesday and DIY videos every Thursday. And yeah, I'll see you guys later this week. Bye!